Even the idea that I'm a spiritual being having a human experience is still as if there's this spiritual being and then there's me. There's two of us. It's the idea that there's a me and that has there be another. This idea comes from perception. Simply able to perceive something. Oh, there's a thing, as opposed to that thing that is perceiving it or created it, and the perception. So from within perception there is always other, duality, relationship. So a relationship with God or consciousness or unity is created by the I, the experiencer, the perceiver, and it's simply that holds it in place. There's no how to get back to unity. The how is in how we hold this illusion of separation simply by the nature of thought, which is a downstream function of perception. So there's nothing to do. It's in the not thinking. So it can't be done. Which is why it seems so difficult. And yet it's so easy.